How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to Loner Trails YouTube channel. We are finally getting the Honda fixed. The Honda's kind of been down, sort of. It's had a one-way bearing go out on it. Well, to make a long story short, last night I tried to tackle replacing that, and I got it replaced and put it back together. Went to crank the 4-tracks up, and it made such an awful noise. I think that some of the stuff in here just kind of fell off its little, where it's supposed to be. There's little things when you put this case back on that has to go in a certain way. I'm gonna go ahead, get the camera set up, load the 4-tracks, and head out to my buddy's shop. Okay, so that wasn't too bad, but go ahead and strap this thing down. Yeah, so apparently I forgot the oil when I was walking out of the house, so I'm gonna go grab that, and then I'll be on the way. All right, guys, so we got the oil. Got the Red Cat Gen 8 there. Actually gonna be trading this to my buddy because we're getting some new wheels and tires for this thing. Some ones that are actually like painted black from the factory and ain't chipped. And yeah, so go ahead and hop in the truck here, get going, and I'll pick you guys up when you get there. What's up? Long time no see. Well, that looks fun.
But he sunk it and he started smoking real bad. He said, sure, get the top end. But he took all that stuff off and he didn't know what he was doing, so I gotta, you know,
Oh no.
address it back, probably look at some schematics.
I just don't know that I could spend the money on a 4-wheeler like this and sink the thing. IRS and everything.
Yeah.
Like the top dog, literally. Is this a Rubicon?
520, Rubicon, yeah.
Oh my, it's literally the top dog. Watched a couple really detailed videos on this thing, and then I was like, you know what, that seems like a pretty easy job. Put it back together, and I mean, it went back together pretty good, and I was like, hell yeah, man. I was like, that was easy, and then crank it up, and it was like, ah. So,
I was like, you don't want to run it.
no, it does not need to run at all.
Okay.
That's how bad it is.
Okay.
Just realized this is the first time we've seen the 300. I had the Polaris then.
Yeah, the Polaris.
Had the Polaris, and then I had the well, I guess it was just the Polaris. I mean, I forget. I mean, I guess I had the big red one time, but. almost positive. If I had to guess what it is, there's some stuff that's held in right in front of one of the clutches, somewhere around here, that's held in by gravity until you put the case on. I'm almost positive. It's got to be one of those things to fall off. It almost makes me want to get back on another bike. Red Cat Gen 8 looking clean. Are we ready? Here we go.
Dang, I'm afraid.
I am too, man. All right, here we go. Please, God. Oh my God, it's good. It's finally good. Oh yeah. Let's check these wheels and tires out. Be a heck of a starting point for the 4Trax. Look at the back driver's side tire on the truck. Well, I mean, I drove it here like that, so.
Our single cab life.
Right.
God, I'm tired of it.
Go home, put these new tires on. This thing should set up a little bit higher now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we got the four-wheeler in the back. Seems to be running pretty good, so we should be in the clear. I got the tires, the back tires in here in the cab with me, but I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna throw these new wheels and tires on. I'm kind of running low on time because it's gonna get dark here in like 30 minutes, so I don't really think I'm gonna have time to film, so I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow. But either way, guys, stay tuned so you can see what this 4Trax is gonna look like with bigger wheels and tires. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the next day. I ran out of daylight yesterday, so here it is. This is how the Honda currently sits. So these are stock wheels off of a Honda Rancher. So the biggest reason why I wanted these wheels and tires is, well, as you guys seen mine, they were originally silver and someone painted them black and they started to chip. Well, these are painted black from the factory. Also, these are 12-inch wheels, and the other ones I had were 11s, which I believe is what come factory on the 4Traxes. Running anything other than a 12-inch wheel really limits what kind of tires I could run on this thing. There's not a lot of aftermarket options for an 11-inch wheel. 12-inch or 14 inch is really where the biggest part of the market's at. So these are actually the original tires off my buddy's Rancher. Like, these are the OG ones from the early 2000s. I forget what year his Rancher is, but either way, that's pretty cool. These tires are like 15 years old, a little bit older than that maybe, and still in this good a shape. On these Hondas, from the factory, they come with 1-inch smaller tires in the front, and that's because of the separate transfer case. For whatever reason, that's how Honda geared it on these 4Traxes. I don't know why they did it like that. I've been eyeballing a few sets of tires, but I'm not really sure what the biggest I can run and get away with is, because like I've got some room here, but as you can see right there, there's a little mount for the plastics. I really don't know if I'm gonna be able to run any bigger than like a 26. Now don't get it twisted, I still want to lift this thing and snorkel it and you know, do all that stuff, but just for now, I'm kind of wanting to go with like a stock build, pretty much. Build, if you can call that. It's really not a build, just wheels and tires. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna continue doing some research and seeing what the biggest size tires I can run on this thing stock is. And I don't know what tire I'm gonna go with yet. I've got my eye on a few different tires. I don't know just yet, so just all in due time. You might see a riding video on this thing before I get new tires on it. Be pretty cool to see how these stock 25s do, but may or may not happen. I don't know, just stick around, find out, because even I don't know, might happen, might not. But either way, new setup coming soon, and also gonna get some center caps for them wheels. But either way, guys, I appreciate you guys watching this little vlog type video. It's never really anything that I do. You know, my content is predominantly just riding content rather than these little vlog style videos, but I wanted to kind of film something a little different because I really haven't been uploading much at all. Consider subscribing if you're new. I think the channel is sitting a little bit over 1,100 subscribers. I post all kinds of off-road videos, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, three-wheelers, sport quads, whatever. At least when I have them. The 4-tracks is kind of all I got at the moment, but either way, guys, consider subscribing if you guys like the content, want to see mudding videos on that thing. Also, drop a like and leave a comment. Give me some recommendations on this thing, because I do go read all the comments, reply to most of them. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'm gonna quit rambling. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.